Hello everyone. Here given that in a certain code language, SOLV is coded as QRJYC and FENCE is coded as DHLFC. How will test be coded in that language? Okay, so the code of SOLV is given that QRJYC. Okay, and another code language of fence FENCE is given that DHLFEC. What is given that? DHLFC. DHLFC. So we have to find out what is the logic to find out the code language. Okay, so first we will numbering that every digit. So if we numbering A as 1, B as 2, C as 3, then what will be the numbering of S? Numbering will be S is 19 and numbering of O will be 15. Numbering of L will be 12. Numbering of V will be 22 and numbering of E will be 5. And now we will code this. Okay, so QRJYC, numbering of Q will be 17, numbering of R will be 18, numbering will be J is 10 and numbering of Y will be 25 and numbering of C will be 3. Okay, so if we find out the logic, then we will see that 19 minus 2 equals to 17. 19 minus 2 and here 15 plus 3, again minus 2, 12 minus 2 equals to 10, again plus 3, again minus 2. So the logic is that minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 3. And similarly, if we numbering the letter of every digit of FENCE, then we will get 5. For F is 6, for E is 5, for N is 14, for C 3 and for E 5. And if we minus 2, if we minus 2 from 6, then we will get 4 and the numbering will be D will be 4. So it is right. And if we add 3 with 5, then we will get 8 and the numbering of H is 8. Similarly, we will get, if we minus 2 from 14, then we will get 12 and then if we add 3 with 3, then we will get 6 and if we minus 2 from 5, then we will get 3. So the logic is minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3. This is the logic. Okay, and in this, using this logic, we will find out the code language of test, TASTE. So TASTE. What will be the numbering of T? Numbering of T is 20. Numbering of A is 1. Numbering of S is 19. Numbering of T is 20. Numbering of E is 5. Okay, so now we will use this logic, minus 2 plus 3. So this will be 18. This will be, if we add 3 with 1, then 4, then 17, then 23 and then 3. So 18, what will be the digit whose numbering is 18? We have to find out, and that will be R. For 4, that will be D. For 17, what will be that? For 17, it will be Q. For 23, it will be W, and for 3, it will be C. So the code language will be RDQWC, RDQWC, and that is in option 2. So option 2 will be the right answer.